Hi folks, today is March the 18th. It's currently 8:57 in the morning, about 3 minutes away from the open. We have the high volume node at 42.64, and I believe we have the crude oil inventories today. So that's coming out at 10:30, so we'll definitely want to be out of the market by the time that hits. Anyway, that's it for right now. I'm going to go ahead and pause it, and I'll be back to you guys in the first setup. I just wanted you guys to see this right here. We had this low volume node develop, but this is a bit too close for me to consider taking. I would have liked to see this turn into a nice U and then come up. Not come up in this V shape that we can see here. We'll see what happens though. It might drop and then give us a second opportunity to take that trade. Alright, be back shortly. Alright guys, the market is still just sputtering along sideways. Not really doing too much here. Bouncing up and down, so hopefully we'll get something. That's all I can really hope for. We can take a look at the 2-minute chart real quick so you guys can see that. As you can see, the same thing. The market is just pushing sideways. I'm not sure if it's waiting for the news or what's going on, but we'll be patient and we'll just wait and see what happens. Alright, be back with you guys shortly. Alright guys, it's now 10 o'clock. The vendor said something interesting in the trade room I wanted to share with you guys here. Alright, what he said was, let me find it here. Alright. He said, in the current market, I don't feel like selling at the bottom of a range. And I said, you don't like selling at the bottom of a range. How do you determine if we're in the bottom of a range? Figured I'd ask now instead of emailing, since the market's moving sideways at the moment. And he stated, let me pull this up real quick. Alright, flat average price number 1. This purple line, this dash dot dot purple line, that's the average price. You guys can see that's pretty flat here, basically going sideways. Alright, market bouncing between STD deviation +1 and -1. That is, this is +1 right here, -1 right here. Okay, no way I would sell on the print even if it worked. This print right here, I would look for a breakout and low volume node to sell to get on board, or a secondary print. Alright, so with that advice that he had given me, I decided, of course, not to take this trade and not to take this trade. Obviously this trade would have been a nice winner, but I'm trying to, of course, learn as much as I can and trade properly, trade right, instead of just jumping in right now. So that's something that I didn't know, and it's something that hopefully if you guys decide to get involved, something that you guys will remember. This right here is flat. Market's bouncing between these two levels. That is a sign that where is it at here? Just had it. Here it is. It's a sign that we might be at the bottom of a range, as he stated right here. So definitely something to keep in mind. Right now, the vendor is looking for a long trade, and I'm sure he most likely will get one at some point. Unfortunately, actually on the 2-minute, it looks like the high volume node moved down, so now we're above it. But like I was saying, it's after 10 o'clock and I actually have to get ready for a meeting here. We're under 5 minutes, so I think I might just go ahead and shut it down for today. We do have news coming out at 10:30, so I kind of expected the market to push sideways a bit. And I'm sure once I leave and I come back this afternoon, I'll see that the market decided to break out upwards. But those are the breaks. So not a long video today, but we were able to learn some stuff, so a good day nonetheless. Alright, that's going to be it for today, folks, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care.